Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. My name is Lovett Vincent. I'm here to talk about relationship story, how a housewife is supposed to be, and how to behave a good manners. Because in this life, we do not know how tomorrow will look like. Because nobody can predict tomorrow how it's going to look like. What am I trying to say? I want to say a story about a lady and a man who got married and later divorced. Two of them later divorced. As of this point, this man owns a company. Sorry, I'm actually talking from Italy. So, as I said, my name is Lovett Vincent. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, help me, and I will help you. And also give me a like thumb button, and I will appreciate to all my YouTube subscribers and also to all those who appreciate me. Though my face is new here, but my people, I will appreciate if you take me just take me the way I am. I'm not perfect, neither am I righteous, but we are here to assist each other. So as I was saying, this man get married to this woman and they later divorce. So after they divorced for so many years, the unknowing to the man, the woman's that the man owns a company, and where the man owns a company, in this his company, nobody knows about this man that is the owner of this company. He has make his face unknown to any of the staff that is the owner of this company. The only people that knows the owner of the company is the manager of the company, and also to the secretary that knows that this man is the owner of this company. So unfortunately to the man, after so many years, the man find out that his ex-wife is working in his company as a staff. So one of these days, when the man find out that his ex-wife is working in his company as a staff, he decided to call the manager to promote this woman to the top, whereby they gave this woman a house, gave this woman a house, gave her a car, and additional of more salary added to it. Then after that, after some days, some months passed by, the woman started living a comfortable life as never before. After some period of time, the man decided to visit that office as someone searching for a job. And when he gets to the office and he met this very woman, he presented his CV that is looking for work. This woman get angry badly and tear up the CV and ask the man to go out of the office, that over her dead body, if that she will live on this earth to give that man a job, unknowing to the woman that this same her ex-husband coming to search for a job is the owner of that same company that is working. Is even the one that asked them to promote her to the level where she is today. So what the man did was pick up the CV from the dustbin and go back home. So after going back home, you get to the home and find out that 3 days later, he decided to go back to the company again and still seek for this job, begging the woman, get down on his knee, beg the woman with tears on his eye that he really needs this job. The woman tear up the CV again and asked the security men to throw this man out of the company. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks later, this man decided to put up his clothes, dress up nicely, appear in his real identity, and come to the company and walk to the woman's office with the secretary and the manager, and they introduced the man to the woman as the owner of the company where the woman is working, that he is even the one who gave them the opportunity to promote her to the level where she is today. The woman fell down on her knee and started crying, begging for the man for forgiveness. Now, the man stood down there with the manager, looking at this woman, crying and weeping, begging this man not to sack her, that the only source of his livelihood is from that company, and only all his family depends on that work that is working. Now, if the question is, the man was standing there looking at this woman, thinking, God, should I throw this woman out, or should I retrieve this woman from the opportunity that she was given to, or should I send her back as a common staff the way she was, or should I throw her out of the company? This thing keep on running in the mind of that man, and he is confused. Now the question is, if you are the one in the position of this man, so this man called and is seeking an advice from me. Now, if you were the one in position of this man, tell me, what will you do? How will it look like? What kind of action will you take? Will you kindly throw the woman out? Because now they are ex. They have divorced legally. It's no more the man's wife. So now, if you are the one in question, will you throw the woman out, or will you leave the woman with the job, or with the kind of treatment that this woman gave to the man, without knowing how tomorrow will look like? Neither do he know that the person that is treating so horrible is the owners of the company. The question is, if you are the one, will you leave this same woman working in that company again, or will you throw her out? One of the reasons why I say this story is, you see, in this life, nobody knows tomorrow. Today you may be down, tomorrow the other may be up. Never you treat anybody bad feeling that you are up, or never kindly show your attitude to those who you are supposed to render help to, because tomorrow the other person who is down today may be your helper tomorrow. So as a Christian and as an individual living on this earth, we are asked to do the rightful thing, help those who are in need, and also do, no matter the condition, no matter the situation. Because if this man should look the reason why they divorced, maybe you won't have asked the manager to promote this woman to the top where he was today, but you look down on all those things and still ask them to promote her. And despite that, the woman was feeling on top, maltreating people, forgetting that it is somebody that he never knew he wasn't qualified for the top where he was promoted to, but the man make it possible for her to get to that top. Nationally or educationally, she was not qualified for the top at all. But this man, according to this man, he make it possible. Sorry to say, he make it possible for this woman to get to that top, So now, if you are in that man's shoe, what will you do? Will you kindly throw this woman out, or will you leave her there to continue working with you after the whole treatment without looking back at tomorrow? Because as it is now, the woman is begging the man that she will even remarry the man back. She's ready to come back to the man. The man should forgive her, accept her, and leave her with the job, that he do not have any source of livelihood. All his life, what will I say, everything about her depend on that job, So now, if you are in this man's situation, what will you do? Kindly write me in the comment. Please kindly subscribe. Do not forget, just subscribe and give me a like on button, please. Friends and family, this is my first, I can easily say this is my first video. Please help your sister. Help your sister. Let's join hands together. Try to make me know that what I'm doing, with the grace of God, I can get to the top by giving me this like a like button, thumb up button, and also a subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get to the top. You know, I'm not trying to tell you that I've been there in I just say let me do it and let me see how it look like. And the only way that I can be proud of myself and can say, God, I thank you, is you out there supporting me by subscribing to this YouTube channel, also liking the video if the thing. Also put down your comment, share the video to your friends and family. Let's hear what will be their own decision on this kind of situation. What will be their own opinion? Everybody, you are free to share this video. Let's look, because we need a solution to this man's problem. What will you do if you are in this man's shoe? What will you do? So please give me a thumb up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and let's see what others will do. What will be their own opinion? I'll see you I'll see you in my next video. I just want to see in the down button so that our next video will know what to tell the man and what the man will kindly do. Just give me your own advice. We are here together for each other, and this person is seeking for an answer. So let's see how it will look like. But on one condition and one thing I want you to know in life is that in this life, nobody knows tomorrow. Today you may be down, the other person may be on top. So we have to show that immorality by showing love to one another, even for those who do not help you, those who show you wickedness. We need to show them that love. We need to show them that you are different. You are you and not them. You need to show them that whatsoever thing you are doing now, there is a payback for you tomorrow. So please, I want to see your comment at the down below. Thank you. God bless you all.